Got my little cleanup crew working out here with me today. Trying to get these red oaks cut up. That's a sassafras, but these red oaks cut up today. Get these cottonwood mess cleaned up. Got a fire going back there. Just gonna burn it all up, and that's the first of the red oaks on the mill there. Well, something's not right. Looks like it's running constantly. Pop the side off of it here and noticed it's full hydraulic oil. So apparently we have a leak. Had one other hydraulic leak when we first got this machine, and it was right there, that cross piece right there. But looks like we got another, so I'm gonna fill it back up with hydraulic oil. See if I can spot where it's spraying from. If you have a hydraulic woodmizer and you find that whenever you turn the key on, that compressor pump just runs constantly. And also you'll see out of the bad side, you'll have fluid pushing out the overflow on the reservoir. So did some troubleshooting on this. What we came up with is this right here. That part is bad. I sourced one locally. It was about $200. So fortunately, this part is under warranty with Woodmizer for 2 years when you buy a brand new one. So they shipped us one, got it here. I'm gonna go ahead and get the battery disconnected and change out this solenoid. Finished up all the red oak. Turned out to be 50 pretty nice boards. So sometimes, as you can see, you break blades. So now we gotta pry that one out of this log. This one broke, looks like at the weld. And Woodmizer says that they warranty all their blades that break at the weld. So I don't know, we'll see if we can get another blade out of them, but I think it's prorated also if it's been sharpened before. This one actually has been sharpened one other time, but man, it was cutting nice too. Really nice and flat. But sometimes the welds just don't hold up. This is a cherry log that I had squared off partially a while back, and I kind of pushed it to the side because I didn't really know what I wanted to do with it. I've got 3 sides shaved off, and now what I want to do with it is cut live edge out of it. But obviously that's not a possibility because I've already taken that side off. So I think what we're going to do is cut it into 2 1/4 thick, maybe bar top type lumber, and maybe one day it'll tell us what it wants to be.